What's up, everybody? Oh, I can hear Enderman. This is a great introduction to my new series. Woohoo! This is gonna be my Minecraft Let's Play, call it what you wanna call it. I play, I build, I enjoy Minecraft series. And this is the world. I would like to say I've just spawned in, but nah. My first try at recording a introduction kind of lagged out on me, and the clip I got I could not use. So I actually have to record this after I've recorded the whole episode. If you can see, I got a little bit of something started over here. Um, I have realized after watching my first episode that I might sound a bit sleepy, you know, like I'm sick or something. And I maybe think it's because I recorded the episode late at night, so I know now I need to do it a bit earlier to get a better sound and more clear voice, so you actually can understand what I'm saying. But I've chosen to make it the first episode anyway, because it is what it is, and this channel is just gonna be me playing, so you can see it from the start. I think some people would like that, to see how you start becoming a YouTuber. Let's hope I someday will become a established YouTuber. We will see. I have no goals. I only do this for the fun part of it. Of course, it could be fun to do this for a living instead of busting my ass off in some basement as an electrician. And yeah, I really hope my English is good enough to do this, but we will see. I hope you enjoyed the first episode, and here it comes. Back, everybody. As you can see, I have made a nice little entrance to where my cave gonna be, just over the other side of where I was before. The ravine is down there, and this is a dark oak wood forest, I think. And I have collected some materials, a little bit of wood, a little bit of eating material, and some eggs. So maybe we can get 2 chickens down there to get some more food, some basic tools, and maybe I will get a little bit more seeds, eggs, and chicken. Bam. Yeah, but I will start digging the cave, and I wouldn't do that without you, you know. That wouldn't be a good start to it all. So here we take the first steps. Wait, and as you can see, it's getting dark, and the mobs are coming out. We're playing on hard just to make it a little fun. And here we go. The entrance to our first house and first mine, and the beginning of a whole new world. And just as we reach level 12, boom, more iron. Very nice. More more tools, and maybe a little bit of armor. Oh, I think we need a little more. This is level 12, right? Yeah. I will start excavate a little bit down here, and while I do that, I would like to talk to you a little about how this channel is gonna work, cause this is a brand new channel. I have never done this before, or anything like it with YouTube or anything like that. So I'm gonna have some technical difficulties in the beginning, but I'm usually a fast learner, quick learner, so I think I will get at it pretty fast and make this work. Oh, more iron and some redstone. I saw that before, but I'm not much of a redstone guy, but you will see that in the coming episodes, I guess. But as I was talking about before, my channel here, it's mostly gonna be Minecraft, Call of Duty, and maybe some CS:GO. It's been a while since I've played CS:GO, but I might go back to that. At this moment I'm enjoying COD Ghost. a lot, and yeah, and some Minecraft, I still watch a lot of Minecraft YouTubers, mostly Minecraft, and some of my things might be a bit inspired by those guys, but you know, that's the way I learned to know about Minecraft. And actually, I have watched a lot more YouTube Minecraft videos than I have honestly played Minecraft. I think, yeah, much more for sure. But this channel's maybe gonna change that. We will see how this works out. If it's anything for me, or I will my English will be too bad. Who knows? Who knows? It might goes, it might not. Let's eat a little bit. Okay. Yeah. We got a little fine room digged out here. Yeah, this will be good. This will be our starter home. More our strip mine, or what you wanna call it. But it will also be our starter base. Oops, there go our pickaxe. Let's make our iron then. Woo! First iron pickaxe. Start on a whole new life, a whole new home, a whole new branch mine, strip mine, whatever. Let's make 4 of those. You can never get enough furnaces. Bam. And oops. Let's get a little bit of iron in there. And a little bit in there. And some meat cooking here. We will also need some chests. Just got enough here. But we need some more. And 4 more will do it. Put 1 there. And 1. Oops. And 1 there. For all our cobblestone. This will be the more scarcity supplies from the surface. As we move along, they will of course have more of those. But here in the beginning, we will be living in the dark, deep, dark, yeah, close to the earth core, something, yeah, cool. We need to make some tools, and we got some iron here, and a bit more, and some beef. We will hide the beef in here. Oh, maybe the first thing we should do is make a pickaxe. That was not what I was just okay, welcome back everybody. I have decided to go topside, because I needed a bit of water. As you can see, I've made some buckets, and I need a bit more wood. But as I come to the topside, I can see it's dark outside. I'm not quite sure if the sun is rising or if it's going down, but we don't care, because we are hardcore. Yeah, hardcore Minecraft, right? Oh, we have a creeper. Oh, we have a sunberg. Yeah, I said sunberg. Oh, we have a skeleton. Bam, water. Bam, water. Oh, 1 more. Damn it. Oh, wait. We need to run. Come on, son. Please, son. I need your help. We can get a bit more of eggs and hope for some better luck for some chickens in the basement, yeah. It should be doable, Oh, this is latest, dude. Damn. Uh-oh. We only have a wooden sword. Oh. Yeah, we got him. Okay, we need a little bit of wood. One more creeper. Oh damn. Come on. Come on. Wanna fight? Fight dirty! Ah. Of course you're gonna blow it all up. Damn creeper. Damn creeper. Let's see if we can save it a little bit without totally destroying the environment. Nope. We need more dirt. What a big creeper explosion. Is it just me, or are they getting bigger? The explosions, of course. Okay, let's get a little bit more of dark oak wood. Just to make the mines a bit more beautiful to live in. So we don't get some kind of... What? You son of a gun. Oi. Oi, oi, oi. Get away. Come on. Come on. Got him off. Yeah, got him. Got him. Got him, got him. Got him, got him. Oh, sorry. I will stop making trance techno beatboxing. That's not my forte, I think it's called in French, maybe. But who cares? Let's see how much we get here. Oh, 41 pieces of wood. That should do it for now. Let's see if we can get some more eggs. And some more chicken. We need to make a bed too. Sheepy, sheepy, sheepy. We need your wool. Sheepy, sheepy, sheepy. We need your wool. 3 pieces of wool. Yep. Maybe a bit more seeds. Oh, what would be lovely would be some saplings. I would love me some saplings. That's a pretty big tree I cut down right there, so there should be some saplings. Oh, an apple. Oh well, this would be it for this episode, I think. It's been quite long, and it is the first episode, so more to come, more to come. Please leave a like or subscribe if you like what you're seeing, because if you want me to keep doing it, I will not keep doing it if I got like 10 views or something like that, but we will see. I'm not greedy. Okay, catch you around, guys. Bye.